Good morning, Emily. I can't believe I ran into you here. It's such a nice surprise. You look like you've already had your first cup of coffee, all energetic and happy.
Ha ha, good morning, Jack. Yeah, you know me, I can't start my day without coffee. It's my fuel. I've been coming here for the past few Sundays to relax and read a little. What brings you here today?
Honestly, I just needed a break from my routine. I've been working all week, staring at my laptop screen, and I thought, why not treat myself to a good cup of coffee for once?
That's a great idea. Sometimes we just need to step out, breathe, and do something simple like this. It really helps clear your mind.
Exactly. And it's funny, because every time I come to a place like this, I feel like my creativity wakes up again. Maybe it's the smell of coffee, or maybe it's just the cozy vibe.
You are so right. The smell of coffee is like therapy for tired souls. Plus, this cafe always has great music. I sometimes bring my notebook and write random thoughts here.
That's really nice, Emily. You've always had that calm, creative energy. I wish I could be more like that.
So, how's work these days? You were telling me last time that you were managing a new project.
Oh yeah, that's been keeping me busy. It's exciting but also stressful. I'm learning to handle a team, meet deadlines, and stay organized, all at the same time.
That sounds like a lot, but I'm sure you're doing great. You've always been hardworking. Do you enjoy it though?
Most days, yes. I enjoy the challenge and learning something new. But sometimes, it feels like I'm just running all the time without really resting.
Understand that feeling. It's like life becomes one long to-do list. That's why I always tell people, slow down, take breaks, and remember to live, not just work.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I should take that advice. I've been thinking of starting something creative, like making videos or learning a new skill.
That's awesome. Actually, you should try something connected to what you love. If you enjoy storytelling, you could even start a podcast or a YouTube channel.
Maybe an English learning channel with stories and conversations? Like this one we're having right now.
Exactly. Real-life dialogues help people learn faster. You'd be surprised how many learners prefer natural conversations over grammar lessons.
That's so true. When I was learning, I always wanted to hear how people really talk, not just textbook English.